Alright, so that was it. Howdy, y'all. Turn down the music. Been quite a while. About a month since I last uploaded, or a month from this video, or whenever maybe I've been updating lately. I don't know. Well, this is an older water mine, something made about 2 years ago, and gonna explore it for the first time after a long while. Was wanting to with friends, but couldn't get anyone online. Making sure I'm actually recording. Yep, I am indeed recording. Got to do doors in this hall. This is gonna be a future map, I hope. I don't even know. I don't even hope. Now I know for a fact it's gonna be. What was that? I guess this door's still open. Definitely upgraded with actual paths. That is not just dirt. Or not dirt, path blocks. Don't know how am I gonna pay that guy. Got to pay my other commissioner soon. Next month. The barn. What a beauty it is. The old way over there was a good design I made. And silos. Egg. I love making mysteries. I can't wait until I'm able to redo this map. all of the trees were placed by hand. Or not by hand, it was placed by a schematic. Over and over again. Maybe about 1,000 times. These forests go far as well. Nice and far. Looks nice and beautiful. It kind of dry out. It kind of dried out lately. This is a flat world as well. Stuff of the past. I remember doing this all by hand. Before I had word edit as well. Then we're gonna clear out these trees, make the path look more. I might actually make custom trees as well, or find custom trees I can use. Let's just go on one path today. Path to the city. Gonna make the trees a lot bigger, a lot more unique, a lot more natural looking. This is gonna be a fun project, definitely. And this is not lagging like it was yesterday. It was lagging so bad you couldn't even play. This train track will definitely come in later. This road will definitely be updated to have an actual road texture, not just this plain black concrete. Maybe even add some trees around here. Make stuff look beautiful. The road definitely gonna be a bit more bigger as well. Maybe actually gray concrete because it's actually more beautiful, more not just blackness. Oh man, it's lagging. Got dirt on my screen. Stuff of the past. All of this grass was out, not by hand, but by a create machine. Might actually see one up here, if I remember. Unless I took it down. Ooh. Gonna have more stuff that way as well, eventually. Town. Don't remember what that is. What is with this one dirt pillar? Oh, it's actually granite. This must have been the end of the machine. Got a new laptop as well. Not really new, but old. Until I get my other one fixed. So audio might be a bit more different than in previous videos, I hope. Well, I don't hope it. Been hell trying to get it working. Yes. I'm trying to design a 1950 car inside of Minecraft. It's not crazy. And yeah, it did the job nicely. Gonna have to make signs or maybe a painting to put on this. I might actually get one commission. Don't know though. Definitely gonna have to add some trees around here. Kinda too bare for my liking. Liking. Here we are. The city. It was not very developed. Just the outline. Oh my god. I mean, I had to do this with schematics. Wow, this stuff is ugly. That not so much. Then we can have to improve on some of the structures. Like you can have to add actual windows. Not just holes in the walls. Pool. Memories. Must have not been completed yet. A single tree. I don't remember what this is though. Is it the library? Oh, no. It's actually the doctor office. What's with me not adding interiors? Okay, so this is the main office. Right? Upper floor. Got a kinda creepy vibe. The library, definitely gonna have to redo that one entirely. I really did love doing it, but wow. It is obviously hideous. I hope I hope I have improved in making some senses. What is this, calcite? dialogue for a character. The waiting room, which I guess wouldn't make sense if you would have to walk behind the desk of the person. Is it just wall? Is it just... Oh, no. The waiting room for the mayor. Wait, is this the library or is this the... Oh yeah, combined building, right? Oh wow, I forgot. I forgot I did. I forgot I'm in this update. Might have to update this word though, if that's even possible. No, I don't mind just saying that one. Might add them out to add other blocks though. Uh, balcony, balcony. Yes. What's this now? Oh, another office? Hmm. I don't remember building this at all. That was 2 years ago. I guess I can take a short peek and then I can just explain when Bandit is on. Just gonna have a lot of empty buildings, but also a lot of buildings you can go into. Wow. They're gonna have changed this into something else and... Wow, how big was I planning on the city to be? And it kept going on. Oh. Oh my goodness, I forgot. The road was not built by me. The road was built by a machine. Ah. If I has not been over here yet, maybe the machine is still over here. It is still over here. Ah. My very first machine. Very, very simple, just wood and these, I can't remember the name of the stuff. You have been on a journey. Man, gray concrete look kind of hideous. Well, I might actually do it full on. Maybe andesite texture. I mean, also the road was made awful as well. Ooh, what are these bushes? Hedges. Ah, it's beautiful. This map is gonna be recreated entirely. Added. Maybe even Bandit might even play and help. He may not be the best builder, however, he is a good fellow to have around. Rather than just being plain alone. So many lava patches are gonna have to be so much easier than... Plan on having another part over there, which is gonna be the train station. Like I cannot don't want to have too many spoilers until you damn until you guys are able to see it. I I talk over myself quite often. An old habit of mine that seems to never go away. What time is it? It's it is 2 a.m. How great! I hope there's not that black bar at the bottom of the screen. So I might have to change that, or I might just keep it in and fix it on the next video. Need to actually make a path to the other locations. The river. Might save the mine for main band to explore. The sawmill. A place of beauty. A place of simple design. Copy and pasted. Yeah, I love making maps. Gonna add a couple more mods as well. Gonna be able to do so much with this. First off, oh, I forgot I had to do this. This was all made with create. I didn't. I did not use word edit at all at this point. Not even to create this river. Not river. This is a lake. This was made completely by Create. Took about 8 days of hard ass work. Ooh, I forgot. These benches look great at the time, but now they don't look so good. I can make such better benches. Well, this is quite nice though. Maybe add a campfire. Or a campfire pit. Memories. And this is not Beware of the Living Lake. This is a different project entirely. This is the first project. We'll soon hopefully have a profile picture for my YouTube channel as well. Yeah, I don't know what this was. Picnic tables. There was picnic tables with stools. I plan on making this a contraption. Gonna be able to ride it all the way over to the next POV, not POV, location. Well, $10. Did I say $10? How much was $10 in 1940s? I don't think it was. I think it was a small fortune. Memories. Oh wow, that's actually beautiful. The more simple benches, which are just tables. And this is another shop. Let's see. So, just stuffed potatoes, dumplings, cabbage roll, honey cookie, look pie. Yum, yum. I got speed. How nice is that? Ugh. And this is the lake. Wow, look bloody beautiful. Can't wait until I'm able to do shaders again. This is where the trees ends. Doesn't look the greatest. So we're gonna have to fix that later. But still beautiful in its own way. guys are gonna see this part later. Or not later today, but like in a future video. What a beautiful sight. If you're gonna be able to create better boulders and better rocks. So many memories. Well, this should be the end then. Hope to see you guys later.